Why does the Indian Air Force still use the MiG-21? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating yet controversial topic. Why does the Indian Air Force still use the MiG-21, a fighter jet introduced over 6 decades ago? Stick around as we explore the history, reasons, and challenges behind this decision. Historical significance of the MiG-21. The MiG-21, designed by the Soviet Union in the 1950s, became one of the most successful fighter jets of its time. India inducted the MiG-21 in 1963, making it the backbone of the Indian Air Force for decades. Nicknamed the Flying Coffin due to its high crash rate, it still holds a storied legacy. The MiG-21 played a pivotal role in India's wars, especially during the 1971 conflict with Pakistan, where it delivered decisive victories. Why is the MiG-21 still in service? The IAF still operates upgraded versions of the MiG-21 for several reasons. 1. Delays in modernization. India has faced delays in acquiring new fighter jets like the Rafale and Tejas, making it necessary to extend the service life of older aircraft. 2. Operational requirements. India's vast airspace and border threats require a large number of operational jets, and phasing out the MiG-21 abruptly would leave gaps in defense capabilities. 3. Cost-effective upgrades. Over the years, India has upgraded the MiG-21 to the Bison standard with advanced avionics, radar, and weaponry, making it suitable for modern warfare to an extent. Challenges and risks. Despite the upgrades, the MiG-21 has significant drawbacks. Aging airframe. Most of these jets are well past their intended operational life, leading to safety concerns. High crash rate. Over 400 MiG-21s have crashed since their induction, resulting in the loss of many pilots and aircraft. Limited capability. The MiG-21 cannot compete with modern 4.5 or 5th generation fighters in terms of speed, stealth, or electronic warfare. 4. What's next for the IAF? The Indian Air Force is actively working to replace the MiG-21. The HAL Tejas, India's indigenous light combat aircraft, is being inducted to phase out these aging jets. Additionally, the IAF is procuring more advanced fighters like the Rafale and pursuing the AMCA project for a 5th-generation stealth fighter. While the MiG-21 has served India admirably, its continued operation highlights the challenges of defense modernization in a complex geopolitical environment. The IAF is on its way to modernizing its fleet, but until the transition is complete, the MiG-21 remains a stopgap solution. Overview of the MiG-21. The MiG-21, also known as a fishbed in NATO terminology, is a supersonic fighter aircraft designed by the Soviet Union. It first flew in 1956 and entered operational service in 1959. Known for its sleek, delta-wing design, the MiG-21 was revolutionary for its time, combining speed, agility, and simplicity. Over 11,000 units were produced, making it one of the most widely manufactured fighter jets in history. It has been used by over 60 countries, including India, and remains in service in some air forces to this day. Key features of the MiG-21. 1. Delta-wing design. The MiG-21 features a delta-wing configuration, providing excellent aerodynamics for high-speed performance and agility. However, this design limits its low-speed maneuverability. 2. Compact size. At just over 15 meters in length, the MiG-21 is compact and lightweight, making it easy to operate from short runways. 3. Supersonic speed. Powered by a single turbojet engine, the MiG-21 can achieve a top speed of Mach 2.05, around 2,175 km per hour, making it one of the fastest jets of its era. 4. A versatile role. It was designed as an interceptor but later adapted for multiple roles, including air superiority, ground attack, and reconnaissance. 5. Ease of maintenance. The MiG-21's simple design made it relatively easy to maintain, an essential factor for countries with limited resources. Specifications of the MiG-21. Length, 15.76 meters. Wingspan, 7.15 meters. Height, 4.12 meters. Maximum takeoff weight, 9,100 kilograms. Engine, Tumansky R25-300 turbojet. Top speed, Mach 2.05, 2,175 km per hour at high altitude. Range, 1,210 km, combat radius. Service ceiling, 19,000 meters, 62,336 feet. Armament. 1 x-23mm twin-barrel cannon, 200 rounds. Up to 2,000 kilograms of external stores, including air-to-air missiles, bombs, and rocket pods. Modern upgrades. In countries like India, the MiG-21 has been upgraded to extend its operational life. The MiG-21 Bison variant features advanced avionics and radar systems. Compatibility with modern air-to-air missiles like the RO-73. Enhanced cockpit instrumentation for better situational awareness. If you found this topic interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to explore next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.